Good morning, students. Hopefully you have understood the word problems and written in your notebook. That is exercise 3.7 question number 1 to 5. So now we will be proceeding to question 6 exercise 3.7. Now here it is written the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? So there are 3 traffic lights at 3 different crossings. So they change after every this 48, 72 and 108 seconds. So to change together, I have to find that number which is divisible by 48, 72 and 108. So that number I have to find. To find that number, I have to find the multiple. So for that I will find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108, because when you will find the LCM you will get that number and that number will be divisible by 48, 72 and 108. So I will find the LCM. So here I have written the statement. The timing of 3 different traffic lights are 48 seconds, 72 and 108 second. Now we will find the LCM. So when you are finding the LCM, this is 48, 72, 108. So divisible by 2, 24, 36, 54. 2, 12, 18, 27, 2, 6, 9, 27, 2, 3, 9, 27, 3, 1, 3, 9, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. Now we will find the product of all these things. So LCM will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 3, right? So when you will find the product, it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 24, 24 into 3, it is 24 into 3, it is 72, and 72 into 9, 9 to 7 9s are 36, 37. 1 minute, I will check it. 2, 24, 36, 54, 12, 18, 27, 2, 6, 9, 27, 2, 3, 9, 27, 3, 1, 3, 9, 3, 1, 1, 3. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 into 9. That is 432 seconds. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 is 48, 48 into 9 is 432. Now the answer is 432 seconds, but you have to find the time. At what time? So at previously they were changing at 7 am. So after 432 seconds they will again changing. So this is the LCM you are getting in seconds. So 432 seconds you have to convert in minutes and seconds. So what you will do? So means after 7 am they will take more 432 seconds and then they will change simultaneously. So I will divide by 60. So this will be 7 6 are 42. Yes, so this will be 7 minutes 12 seconds. So this is 7 minutes 12 seconds. So at what time they will change? Means they will change at 7 a.m. 7 o'clock 7 minutes 12 seconds. So I will write the answer. The traffic lights will change simultaneously at 7 a.m. plus 7 minutes 12 seconds. Means after 7 a.m. it will take 432 seconds to change simultaneously. एक साथ वो चेंज होंगे ट्रैफिक लाइट. तो 7 बजे के बाद ये जो टाइम है उतना वो ज्यादा लेंगे. 7:07 12 सेकेंड तब वो एक साथ ट्रैफिक लाइट बंद होंगे. राइट? They will change. Either they will glow or they will switch off. Okay? So this is the question 6 answer. Solution. Now go for question 4. The 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Now you can see here maximum word is used. So maximum means you have to find the HCF, highest common factor of 403, 434 and 465. So here I will write the solution. You will write the capacity of 3 tankers, that is equal to 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters. Now you have to find the maximum capacity. So I will write HCF of 403, 434 and 465. Yes. So I will find the factors first. 403, it doesn't have by 2 or 3. It will go by 13. 1. Yes, 31. 31 is the prime number. Now I will try for 434. 2, 7. Then it is going by 13. I will check it. 217. 21. No, 13. I will, okay, 7. 31. Then 465. 3, 1, 3, 1. 15, 5. Then 5, 3, 1, 3, 1. So we will find the factors and highest common factor we will find. So factors of 403 equal to 13 into 31. Factors of 434 is 2 into 7 into 31. And factors of 465 equal to 3 into 5 into 31. is common among 3 is 31. So that means HCF is equal to 31. So I have to write the maximum capacity of the container that can measure is, so the maximum capacity of a container that can measure is 31 liters. Right? So this completes your question 7. Question 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Now you have to find that number which divided by this will give remainder 5 in each case. So to find the number, what you will do, we will find the LCM of these three. So when you will find a common multiple of these three and divide by 6, 15 and 18, you will get remainder 0. Right? But I want the remainder to be 5 in each case. अगर मैं तीनों को ऐसा नंबर निकालना है जो तीनों को डिवाइड करता हो, उसके लिए मुझे एक कॉमन मल्टीपल निकालना पड़ेगा. तो मल्टीपल निकालने के लिए मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा एलसीएम ऑफ 6, 15 एंड 18. तो वो जो एलसीएम आएगा, अगर आप 6, 15 और 18 से डिवाइड करेंगे, वो तो ऑफ कोर्स है, अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो 0 ही आएगा रिमाइंडर. लेकिन मुझे रिमाइंडर क्या चाहिए? मुझे चाहिए 5 इन ईच केस. तो कैसे आएगा? तो उसके लिए मेरा जो भी एलसीएम है, whatever is the LCM, if I add 5 to it, then and you divide by 6, 15 and 18, you will get remainder 5 in each case. So first thing is to find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. Whatever LCM you are getting, you just have to add 5 to 8. Yes? So I will write LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So this is 6, 15, 18, 2, 3, 15, 9, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 3 6s are 18, 18 into 5 is 90. So this is the number. When you divide by this, the remainder will be 0. But I want the remainder should be 95. So if I add 5, if I add with this 90 plus 5, that is 95. And 95 if I divide by 5 by 6, अगर मैं इससे divide करती हूँ, so this will be 3, yes, 15, 5. Is the remainder 5? Yes. अगर 95 को मैं 15 से करूंगी, 15 6 है 90, 5 रिमाइंडर आ रहा है. अगर मैं 95 को 18 से करूंगी तो मेरा 5 रिमाइंडर आ रहा है. यस, 5 आ रहा है. इसका मतलब अगर एलसीएम को आप कोई जो रिमाइंडर चाहिए उसके साथ ऐड करेंगे, आपको वो इन नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे ऐड करने के बाद, तो 5 रिमाइंडर आएगा ही. सो दैट मीन्स द लीस्ट नंबर इज 95. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट द लीस्ट नंबर is equal to 90 plus 5 equal to 95. We have just added remainder 5 to the LCM. Yes. Now question 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. ये हमने किया हुआ है इसके पहले भी. Again, find the LCM of it. Now you know the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 4-digit is 1000. So this 1000, if you divide by this and this, it is not divisible by these three numbers. So you have to find nearest to 1000, so that when you divide by 24, 32 and 18, remainder is 0. So first we will find LCM of 18, 24 and 32. 18, 24, 32 go by 2, 9, 16, 2, 9, 6, 8, 2, 9, 3, 4, 2, 9, 3, 2, 2, 9, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So 2 here 9, 12, 16, 2, 9, 6, 8, 2, 9, 3, 4, 2, 9, 3, 2, 2, 9, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. Yes. So LCM is, just find the LCM. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 9. So that is 288. Right? Now just make the table of 288. How you will make this thing we have done in before some questions also. So 288 into 1 is 288. 288 into 2 is 16. 17, it is 576. 288 into 3. You are finding the table unless you get the number nearest to 1000, nearest to 4-digit number. Now I will take 288 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 6, 8, oh yes, it is 864. Now 288 into 4, 32, 32, 5, yes. So the nearest number you have got, that is 288 into 4, if you do, it is 1152. Here we got it. Yes. So that means nearest to 1000 is 1152. So that will be divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So here we have to find the smallest 4-digit number is 1152. Right? So in this way you have to do it. Now question 10 is very simple. You just have to find the LCM of the following numbers. Now below the questions it is written, observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Now you have to find the LCM and observe what you are getting the answer. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Means 9 and 4, if you are finding the LCM, is it equal to 9 into 4, that is 36? That you have to check it. So here I will find LCM of 9, 4. So here 292, 291, 3, 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 36. So whatever LCM you are finding out, is it equal to 9 into 4? Yes. So here you have to write yes, LCM is of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. This you have to observe. Now 12 and 5, again find the LCM. So 12 and 5, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2, 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 12 into 5 is what? 60. LCM what you are getting? 60. So here again you have to write yes, LCM of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. Right? Now 6 and 5. Again find the LCM. So it should be equal to 32, 3, 5. Yes, what is the LCM? 50, 30. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. It is 30. So again you have to write yes, LCM is equal to product. So D1 is same. Very easy. Do it as homework. Question 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. What do you observe in the result obtained? Now here, if you observe the two numbers, we have to find the LCM. So 5 is a factor of 20. Yes, you can see here. So when you just find the LCM and what conclusion you can obtain by finding it, you have to see. So I will find the LCM of 5 and 20. So it is 5, 20, 1, 4. So LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 2, that is 20. Means in this larger number, whatever is the larger number, that LCM you are getting. Now let us see question B part 16 and 18. Find the LCM. So 16 and 18, 2, 3, 9, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. Again, what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. So here also you can observe that the larger number, here 6 is the factor of 18, but LCM is the larger number among these two. Now find for LCM of 12 and 48. So we will find, so 2, 6, 24, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Again find the LCM. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 6, 24, 3, 8. 2 here it should be 12. 6, 3, 3, 1, 1. Yes, so LCM will be 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So what you observe, when there are two numbers in which one number is the factor of the another, the larger number is the LCM. So D1 is also same and same as this you can find. So conclusion, what you can write, where in this you can write the conclusion here. conclusion when there are two numbers and larger number is the and smaller number is the factor of larger number, then LCM is equal to larger number. Right? So here when there are two numbers and smaller number is the factor of larger number, then LCM is equal to LCM is same as larger number. Yes. So what you observe in this, the results obtained. So I have written the conclusion. There are two numbers. One number is the factor of another. Smaller number is the factor of another number. So the larger number is the LCM among them. Right?